Hello people, welcome to my channel and page. Today's recipe is spaghetti jollof with chicken. Please watch this video from the start to the end and also help me to share. So I added salt to my boiling water and thereafter add my spaghetti. I'm going to use 500 gram of spaghetti. So after adding the spaghetti, I'm going to use my spoon to turn it and then let it start cooking. This is my chicken breast, which I've marinated and added everything that I needed. So I'm going to stir fry. I'm going to fry it till it is properly fried or cooked. So now I'm going to transfer the chicken in my pots and add onions. After adding the onions, I'm going to stir and also add my pepper mix. The pepper I used is red, green, and yellow bell pepper, scotch bonnet pepper, and onions. So I'm going to stir. And after stirring, I'm going to add a little amount of water. After adding it, I'm going to add some seasoning and then stir again, stir, and then cover to let cook. As you can see, after letting it cook for some minutes, I'm going to add my mixed pepper, that's the red, yellow, and green bell pepper. I'm going to stir, and after stirring, I'm going to cover to let cook. And guys, as you can see, after letting it cook for a little while, I am going to stir again and then add my spaghetti. It is very important not to cook the spaghetti too much so that it will not be too soft later on, okay? I like my spaghetti to be like average. So I added salt, seasoning, and a little amount of water. I'm going to stir carefully, stir very well, and then cover and let it cook on a low heat, on a very low heat. And guys, as you can see, I present to you my spaghetti jollof with chicken. That's how I prepare this delicious, yummalicious, good looking spaghetti you are seeing here. Thank you so much for watching. Please help me to share the video, comment, like, and also follow me on all my social media platform with the name Mama Triple N. I added black pepper for flavor. You can skip that if you don't want it. Please help me to share the video. It means a lot to me and it will definitely go a long way. So I ate my spaghetti and I really enjoyed it. Thank you so much. I'm going to say bye for now and see you in my next video. All right, till then, bye.